Hello, my name's Scott Douglas, MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 33 Outrage we just took in on trade. You'll notice she has the white 300 V8 Verado engines, a nice bench seat that easily folds up against the transom to get out of your way. Live well or fish box built in on the transom as well. You have the opposed seating behind the helm seat, which have a live well built in underneath. You also have the flip down table, which you can equip with the cutting board. Moving forward to the helm, you have a triple helm seat area here, which is nice. Joystick piloting with the sky hook and autopilot built in. Digital throttles, twin Raymarine screens, trim tabs, VHF and everything's tucked away up here. Nice fiberglass hardtop. Life jacket storage here. You do have a nice head compartment built in on the console. Trolling seats on either side that are under the hardtop shade. And then moving forward, you have a nice lounge area here. All of this does have covers. Great storage built in underneath. You have a teak table for the bow, also have one for the stern. This boat is optioned with the bow sunshade, so you can shade this entire area. Windlass or push button anchor, also equipped with Mercury radar. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100.